How to transfer Viber account to a new phone. Hey guys! In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer Viber account to a new phone. First, open the Viber application on your old phone. Now tap on More at the bottom banner to open the menu. Here tap on Settings. Then tap on Account. Next, tap on Viber Backup. Now turn on the toggle for Include Photos, and also turn on Include Videos, so all your media is saved. Then under Auto Backup, select Daily so Viber creates a backup every day automatically. After that, tap on Backup Now, and wait until the backup finishes. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your chats and media. Now go back to the home screen of your phone, find the Viber app, press and hold it, and check the options. Here open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Viber, then type on it. Here tap on Offload app. This removes the app but keeps your data safe. Now go back to the home screen and open Viber again. Then go to Chats and check if your messages are still visible. After checking, go back and delete the Viber app completely. Now open the App Store on your phone. Then search for and install the Viber app again. Once installed, open the app. Now tap on Start Now. Enter your phone number linked to your Viber account. Then tap on Continue and verify your number with the code sent to you. Now put in your account details like name and date of birth to set it up. After that, Viber will ask to restore your backup. Tap on Restore Now and wait until all chats, photos, and videos are loaded. Now as you can see, your Viber account has been successfully transferred to your new phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.